Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix apps not opening on Windows 11. First, restart your computer. This may sound basic, but it fixes many temporary system issues. Click the Start button, choose Restart, and wait for Windows to load again. After that, try opening the app. If the app still does not open, close any stuck background processes. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Look through the list for the app that is not opening. Right-click on it and then click End Task. Close Task Manager and try opening the app again. Next, make sure Windows and your apps are fully updated. Click Start, go to Settings, then open Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install everything available. Restart your PC if required. If the problem continues, repair or reset the app. Go to Start, open Settings, then click Apps and Installed Apps. Find the app that is not opening, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. First, click Repair and wait for it to finish. Try opening the app. If it still does not work, go back and click Reset. Keep in mind, this may remove the app's saved data. Finally, check for system file issues. Click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Restart your computer once it is done. After completing these steps, your app should open normally on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.